Hi, my name's Jade and I'm just here to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a lovely homemade Christmas card this Christmas with your kids. Now here's one I done earlier and it's a Christmas tree. It's nice and simple and it's probably one of the most thoughtful gifts you can get, especially after this year, and I absolutely love all the homemade stuff that me and my kids do together. So all you need is some white A4, fold it in half, some green paint. Obviously, I've painted mine before, but I'm going to paint it again. Here we go. And we're just going to paint the whole of your hand, your child's hand. Now, if they're a baby, a small baby, it can be quite difficult to get their hand to be painted. So what I tend to do is use their foot. Comes out with the same result. But all we're going to do now is place the hand on. There we go. So we've got the base of our Christmas tree. And I've got a little bit of orange paint here. And all I'm going to do is dip my finger in it. The kids will love this. And we're just going to place the odd dot here, there and then everywhere to represent some Christmas lights, some baubles. Obviously if you've got more different colours, the better. But for now we're just going to use these green and orange ones. So, and also what we can do is the same again with the green. We can dot it around. Quite easy, takes a second. And then the same again with the orange. Ooh. Okay, try and wipe my hands. Right, and all we're going to do now is, with the pen, I've got a blue pen here, we can make our little tree trunk and our tree base. And what we're going to do with these little fingerprint dots that we've done round is literally just join them up. And here we have our own fairy lights for decorating, which they look quite pretty, especially when it's a smaller hand. Obviously not like mine really big, but the kids make a really good job and they enjoy doing stuff like this. So, and as you can see, it's literally took me a couple of minutes to do this. And we have our own handmade Christmas card. Thank you very much.